Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I've got a 12 by 12 inch canvas and some leftover paint I want to add to some PPG Speedhide. I'm going to take my spatula out of the way for a minute. I think that'll be enough because I saved all of my leftover PPG Speedhide in a separate container. This is yesterday and today's. I'm going to give that a little bit of a spin first. New spinner by Ed. I'd noticed that Winterstrom Art had mentioned that she creates spinners also, so I'm telling you, I love this. I don't know if I need the spatula as much as I think I do. I think I'm going to use it because I can. It's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. I haven't used my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to do this yet. I've used other kitchen spatulas, metal ones. But I think it's time to find out how I like this. And I do like this. Maybe not if I spin it out at the same time. I'm trying to do this with one hand. That's kind of silly. Definitely recommend a spinner with arms on it though. Take as much of that paint off there as possible. Now, I was going to spatula this out, and I'd still like to try that. It's everything that I cleaned up off my silicone mat that holds my painting from moving. There's Prizm Pours and Primary Elements from Colourarte in there. There's probably some Atelier cell activator in there. Chances are very good that there's some Sherwin Williams Color to Go house paint in there. I'm just going to keep doing that. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I guess we'll find out together. I've always got the opportunity to use the Atelier cell activator or the Amsterdam. Whichever works. Sorry, I'm kind of focused. Looks like I have plenty of paint. I think it was Veuve Violet and I'm trying to remember the other one. I think it was Veuve Violet and the other one is over here. Kimono Violet. I've always liked doing dribble paintings with leftovers, and this is no different. But I am looking forward to using some cell activator to see how I like that. And I've just used up all of my paint. Kind of wonder if I should spin it out first, but I'm going to put this paint container into my specifically for very painty objects bucket and hope that that makes it survive. I've got some absolutely gorgeous paint right here, and I think I'm going to use it straight out of the container. And it's not really a transfer swipe if I'm not moving it with a palette knife, but I think I'm going to try and get all of this or some of this. I think if I lay things over each other, I might have the illusion of some definition, or dimension is the word I'm actually looking for. I've done that more than once. Okay, so it's time to throw that in the bucket. Both of those things, actually. Now, I kind of want to take and use my palette knife. Maybe not the big one. I thought I was going to use the big one. I think I'm going to use the medium size with the round tip. I put a few of these on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is below Show More, right under the Colourarte coupon code as a Colourarte affiliate. If you decide to use that coupon, you help me out. Where do I really want to do this? I kind of like everything I've got. Now I've thought about this and I kind of want to pick this up. See if I can drag it a little bit. What other color do I want? Do I have any red? I don't have red, but I do have magenta. This is golden magenta, I believe. Whoa, that's a lot thicker than I anticipated. Like a lot thicker. Just found a spot I really didn't want to get rid of. I feel the need to have some orange. So I think what I'm going to do is grab a little bit of Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam White, which obviously sealed up while I was at dinner. Oh, come on. I usually keep a tack in that. So some white. Oh, I have some orange. I have some Atelier cell activator. Actually, before I do that, I might want to take a skewer and a straw and do some alterations. I'm not sure how much of that I actually need. I think I'm going to go for a little more black before I spin out. I like the orange. I'm not sure I really got enough of it. I think I'm going to have to try the straw trick over here. Which is going to lead me to a excuse my frog in my throat. keep seeing something being dragged along behind this little tool. I'm not sure if it's actually still attached to the tool or if it's just the fact that it's house paint. Where else should I go? I like this just as it is, and I'm going to have to spin it out so it's not going to look like this. So let's just do that, unfortunately. Alright, here goes nothing. Looks like that pale pink spot in the middle needs to have something done to it. Part of me just wants to put a lot of black on a spatula and go over the whole thing. One time. Do I want to do it at all? I might want to do it a little. Should just save some paint to lay over the top. But I am actually liking what I've got, so I'm not going to complain. Let's blow into that. Learning curve for me. No, I'm actually really liking this. Let's do it one more time. The paint is over the side on all four sides, so we definitely had enough paint. Ah, I see one side, one spot, one little spot uncovered. I think I can fix that. Maybe just one more. Oh, I want to blow into that pink. Cool, cells are coming up. We'll do one more spin. I think I could have done almost anything with the right colors. But that's kind of fun. Don't forget there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code, and I'm an affiliate, and you'll be helping me out if you decide to go shopping. And if you need any advice, let me know, because I have favorite colors. I'm going to throw a few things in the bucket. I'm going to grab something. See if I want to do anything else. Because I do like to add spot. This is, I do love traveling, wandering pours. Pretty subtle. But I also love using up leftover paint. It's very pastel. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to shimmer this at you, maybe, if I'm lucky. Tell you guys, thank you for being here. I post 7 days a week. At 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. There's not a lot of shimmer in there, but there's some really pretty patterns, and I'm really liking it. And where there is shimmer, it's great. This would be a nice piece to resin. It really would. And I think I just saw a bubble. Goodbye, bubble. Alright, so I love you guys. Once you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. That was fun. Thank you for joining me. I hope you come again. I see places that I just want to start wrecking, like in there, but I also like the dimension. Say it right, girl. Boy, that's really dark. I'm so sorry about that. So what can I ask you guys? Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind sharing my videos and watching them longer. You help me out and your comments keep my morale boosted. My paint pouring recipes are generally, and any information about paint is shared with you below the video. My link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more for things like spring clothing, Society 6, Legalerists, same things that are on the link tree. My Amazon is a great place to shop at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and my 2 books are there because I can, and unlimited possibilities. So I'm loving the cells that I've got. I'm loving the patterns that I've got. I'm loving you guys, that you inspire the heck out of me. And if you're looking for a PayPal icon, it's on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I'm sorry, that looks really camouflaged by all the color around it to be very similar, but it's not. So hopefully you'll see that in the thumbnail. You can always ask me for a dry picture on the community board. I like this from almost every direction. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If I said that before, forgive me. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. My email address, should you want to reach me, is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. And thank you again for being here. I hope you come again tomorrow. I have 2,600 videos organized by topic and genre. And if you need a link, just ask me for a playlist. I'll be happy to help you. I've got them all saved. And if you want to look for them yourself, just go to my YouTube channel and you'll find them on playlists. Okay, bye for now. Priscilla out.